1 whole bread pieces. 2 cups of sugar as per taste. 3 cups of milk. 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. Few sliced cashew nuts. 1 teaspoon of melon seeds. 2 tablespoons of kalamawa. 2 pinches of saffron food color. Few sliced almonds. Heat wide utensil and add 2 glasses of water. Add sugar. Add elaichi powder. Heat in a kadai. Drop bread pieces and fry. Fry on low to medium flame. Flip and fry on other side. Fry until light golden brown. Bread pieces are nice and brown. Remove them. Fry remaining bread pieces. Mix and cook until sugar syrup is thick. Add saffron food color. Give a mix. Sugar syrup is in perfect consistency. Arrange fried bread pieces. Cook on low flame till bread absorb sugar syrup. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip bread pieces. Cook for more 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, pour milk on bread pieces. Garnish with kawa and dry fruits. Turn off flame. Double meetha is done. super soft and delicious double ka meetha is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.